Hello and welcome to this channel which is called English Decoded. Today I'll be talking about the nouns of gender. So let's start the video. You know that living beings are of either the male or the female sex. Now compare the words in the following pairs. Living things have two sexes, the male sex and the female sex. And there are words expressing that idea of sex, either the male sex or the female sex. Now consider these words. Boy, girl, lion, lioness, hero, heroine, bull, cow. The idea of male or female sex is expressed in these pairs of words. When the idea of sex is mentioned in connection with a language, then sex is called the gender. Masculine gender. What is masculine gender? A noun that denotes a male person or animal is said to be of the masculine gender. Gender comes from Latin genus, kind or sort. That word in English language, that noun, that word in the English language that is used for a male person, a male human being, or a male animal is called the masculine gender. The word gender comes from the Latin word genus, which means kind, sort. For example, father, brother, uncle, lion, bull. These words are masculine gender because they denote male human beings or male animals. Similarly, feminine gender. A noun that denotes a male person or animal is said to be of the feminine gender. A noun that is used for a female human being or a female animal is called the feminine gender. For example, mother, sister, daughter, hen, cow. These words are used for either female human beings or female animals. Common gender. What is a common gender? A noun that denotes either a male or a female is said to be of the common gender, used for both male and female genders. Such a noun, such a word that is used for both male and female human beings or animals is called a common gender. It is sometimes used for females and other times it is used for males. Sometimes we mean by it a female, other times we mean by it a male. For example, parent. Parent is a common gender which can mean either the father or the mother, which can mean either the male or the female. Child. Child can be a male or a female. Friend. It can be a male or a female. Student. It can be a male or a female. Thief. It can be a male or a female. So a common gender is a word that is used for both genders, the masculine gender and the feminine gender, for males and females. Neuter gender. What is a neuter gender? A noun that denotes a thing that is neither male or female. Thing without life is said to be of the neuter gender. Neuter means neither, that is neither male or female. Contrary to the common gender, neuter gender is a word used for things that are neither male nor female. Neuter means neither. The word itself means neither. It is neither this or that. For example, book. Book is neither a male nor female. Room. Room is neither male or female. These words do not have any gender. They are genderless. Tree. Pen. These words do not have any gender. Objects personified. Objects without life are often personified. That is, spoken of as if they were living beings. We then regard them as males or females. The masculine gender is often applied to objects remarkable for strength and violence, as the sun, summer, winter, time, death. The sun sheds his beams on rich and poor alike. Sometimes the words, the things for which usually neuter gender is used, sometimes we give them gender for our own purposes, for the purposes of language. Then we say that these things have been personified, these things have been turned into male or female. Originally, they are not male or female, they are neuter. But sometimes, for the sake of language, we give them gender. For example, the sun sheds his beams on rich and poor. The masculine gender is given to those non-living neuter things which are known for strength or violence. For example, the sun, it is a strong thing. It can burn. Summer, winter, time, death. These concepts, they are originally neither male or female. But to give them some additional meaning, we give them gender and we use them for the purposes of language. The sun sheds his beams. Now, in this sentence, the sun has been shown as a male entity, his beams. Similarly, the feminine gender is sometimes applied to objects remarkable for beauty, gentleness, and gracefulness, as the moon, the earth, spring, autumn, nature, liberty, justice, mercy, peace, hope, charity. Similarly, those things, those neuter, genderless things which are known for their beauty, for their gentleness, for their kindness, those things are given the female gender for the purposes of language. For example, the moon has hidden her face behind a cloud. In this sentence, the moon that is known for beauty, the moon has been given a female gender. The moon has hidden her face behind the cloud. The moon has hidden her face. So the moon has been given a female gender. Spring has spread her mantle of green over the ear. The spring, which is neither male originally, which is neither male or female, it is genderless, it is a neuter noun, neuter gender. But over here, for the purposes of language, we have given her the gender of a female. So when neuter things, genderless things are given either a male gender or a female gender, then we say that that thing has been personified. That is all for today.